Hi everybody, welcome to your Principal Leadership Seminar. This is a requirement for all graduate students at the Citadel. My name is Dr. Tracy Sigler. You can call me Tracy. I am the Department Chair for Leadership Studies at the Citadel, and I'll be working with you during this 8-week session on this seminar so that you know it is a requirement, but it's a class that is graded pass-fail. So you complete the assignments, you pass. You don't complete the assignments, you fail, and you have to take it again. Part of the course is also a requirement that you complete some training on protection of minors. In this past, it was darkness to light training. So there's a requirement that you complete that training and you upload a copy of your completion certificate. So if you have that already, you can upload it. And I will be letting you know when the email comes to you with that training link. So to start out with, welcome. You can start out in the modules if you know what module you want to be on. There's also a link to course information. So here is a welcome, a little bit about me, and what you're going to have to do as you move through the 8-week session. If we go ahead and take a look at, here's the protection of minors. Here's an introduction about being a principal leader. So you will see one of our alumni, Clemson Turagano, who is a leader with the Center for Creative Leadership, actually created this course. And so you'll see his words and his experiences throughout. Okay, so your first module is an introduction to principal leadership. So you're going to be learning about the Citadel. You're going to be, here's Clemson, excuse me, seeing a definition of principal leadership, and then in each module you'll do one written assignment and one discussion board so that you have a chance to interact with others in the class, and then you also have a chance to reflect. So here is the video defining principal leadership. Note there's no submission required. There are a couple of optional assignments, so feel free to do those if those are helpful. So here is your first assignment, graded discussion, 2 points, so defining principal leadership. And then your assignment is to take a look at an example of principal leadership by choosing one of these graduates and reading their stories. Answer the questions and post them on the discussion board. So why did you choose that person? What did you learn? So you get 1 point for posting and 1 for responding to another classmate. So here's a little bit more information about them. I did want to let you or show you the information here. And so someone's already posted, so you just push reply. Once someone has posted, you read their answer, and then you click reply so you can respond to them. So ideally, you're having some interaction with each other. And then the second assignment is to define your personal definition or understanding of principal leadership. And then we have Module 2. So that's it for Module 1 of this week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you.